In the heart of every human being lies an extraordinary power, a power to shape their reality, to attract abundance, and to live a life of true prosperity. Today, we're going to unlock that power within you. We're going to explore simple yet profound techniques that can shift your world, open doors to opportunities you never thought possible, and lead you to a life filled with joy and fulfillment. This isn't about wishful thinking or empty promises. It's about tapping into the natural laws of the universe and aligning yourself with the flow of abundance that's always available to you. So, get ready to step into your power, to rewrite your story, and to create a life that truly reflects your limitless potential. Beneath the surface of your conscious thoughts lies a vast and powerful realm, your subconscious mind. It's like a silent architect, constantly shaping the world around you, influencing your experiences, and attracting circumstances that mirror its deepest beliefs. This hidden part of you holds the key to unlocking your true potential for abundance and prosperity. Your subconscious mind is a treasure trove of memories, beliefs, and emotions formed over a lifetime. It doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined. It simply accepts what you feed it. Every thought you think, every belief you hold, every emotion you feel is like a seed planted in this fertile ground, shaping the harvest of your life. If you've ever wondered why you seem to attract certain experiences or struggle to achieve your goals, the answer lies within your subconscious mind. It's not about luck or chance, but about the unseen forces at play within you. Your subconscious beliefs act as a powerful magnet, drawing to you the circumstances and opportunities that align with its programming. The good news is, you have the power to reprogram your subconscious mind. You can replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones, cultivate positive emotions, and create a new blueprint for your reality. It's about becoming aware of your thoughts and feelings, and consciously choosing to focus on what you want to create in your life. Imagine your mind as a garden. If you plant seeds of doubt, fear, and scarcity, that's what will grow. But if you nurture seeds of confidence, gratitude, and abundance, you'll cultivate a bountiful harvest of prosperity and joy. Your thoughts are incredibly powerful. They create your reality. When you focus on lack and limitation, you reinforce those patterns in your life. But when you focus on abundance and possibility, you open yourself up to a world of opportunities. Your beliefs shape your perception of the world. If you believe you're not worthy of abundance, you'll unconsciously sabotage your efforts to achieve it. But if you believe you're deserving of all the good things life has to offer, you'll naturally attract them to you. Your emotions play a crucial role in attracting abundance. When you feel joy, gratitude, and love, you vibrate at a high frequency, drawing to you experiences that match that energy. But when you're consumed by fear, anger, or resentment, you block the flow of abundance. The truth is, you are the creator of your own reality. Your subconscious mind is a powerful tool that can either work for you or against you. By becoming aware of its influence and consciously choosing to cultivate empowering thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, you can unlock your limitless potential and create a life of true abundance. This is not about denying challenges or pretending everything is perfect. It's about recognizing that you have the power to navigate those challenges with grace and resilience, and to create a life that truly reflects your deepest desires. It's time to step into your power, to accept your innate ability to create your own reality. By harnessing the power of your subconscious mind, you can attract abundance, manifest your dreams, and live a life of true prosperity and joy. The possibilities are endless, and the choice is yours. Now that you understand the power of your subconscious mind, it's time to start shifting those old, limiting beliefs that may be blocking your path to abundance. These beliefs can be sneaky, whispering doubts in your ear and holding you back from your full potential. It's time to shine a light on them and replace them with empowering truths. Perhaps you've told yourself, money doesn't grow on trees, or I'm not lucky enough to be wealthy. These beliefs, while common, are simply not true. Abundance is your birthright, and you have the power to create it in your life. Start by becoming aware of these limiting thoughts. When they arise, challenge them with positive affirmations. Replace "I can't afford it" with "I am open to receiving abundance." Another powerful technique is to practice gratitude. When you focus on what you already have, you shift your energy from lack to abundance. Take a few moments each day to appreciate the blessings in your life, big and small. This simple practice can have a profound impact on your mindset and your ability to attract more abundance. Your mindset is a choice. You can choose to focus on scarcity and limitation, or you can choose to focus on abundance and possibility. By consciously cultivating a positive and abundant mindset, you open yourself up to a world of opportunities and create a life that truly reflects your limitless potential. Now that you're shifting your mindset to one of abundance, it's time to get specific about what you want to create in your life. The universe responds to clarity, so it's important to set clear intentions for what you desire. This isn't about vague wishes or hoping for the best. It's about consciously defining your goals and focusing your energy on manifesting them. Start by identifying what truly matters to you. What are your deepest desires? What brings you joy and fulfillment? Once you have a clear picture of what you want, write it down in detail. Be specific about the details, the feelings, and the experiences you want to create. The next step is to visualize your desires as if they're already happening. Close your eyes and see yourself living the life you want. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goals. The more vividly you can visualize and feel your desires, the more powerful your intentions become. Your intentions are like seeds you plant in the fertile ground of your subconscious mind. By setting clear intentions and visualizing them with emotion, you're sending a powerful message to the universe about what you want to create. Trust the process, stay focused on your goals, and watch as your dreams begin to manifest into reality. Gratitude is like a magical key that unlocks the floodgates of abundance. It's a powerful force that shifts your energy, opens your heart, and attracts even more blessings into your life. When you express gratitude, you're acknowledging the good that already exists, and you're sending a signal to the universe that you're ready to receive more. Think of it this way: gratitude is like a magnet for abundance. The more you appreciate what you have, the more you attract. It's a simple yet profound principle that can transform your life. Start by cultivating a daily practice of gratitude. Each morning, take a few moments to reflect on the things you're grateful for. It could be your health, your loved ones, your home, or even the simple pleasures of life like a beautiful sunrise or a delicious meal. Expressing gratitude doesn't have to be complicated. You can keep a gratitude journal, write thank you notes, or simply take a moment to appreciate the present moment. The key is to make it a habit, to weave gratitude into the fabric of your daily life. As you practice gratitude, you'll notice a shift in your perspective. You'll start to see the world through a lens of abundance, recognizing the countless blessings that surround you. And as your heart opens to gratitude, you'll naturally attract more of what you appreciate into your life. Setting clear intentions and cultivating gratitude are essential steps on your journey to abundance, but they're not enough on their own. You also need to take action, but not just any action, inspired action. This means aligning your actions with your intentions and trusting your intuition to guide you along the way. Think of your intentions as a compass, pointing you in the direction of your dreams. Inspired action is about taking steps that move you closer to those dreams, even if they're small steps. It's about listening to your inner guidance and trusting your gut instincts. Sometimes, inspired action may mean stepping outside your comfort zone, taking a risk, or trying something new. It may mean saying yes to an opportunity that excites you, even if it scares you a little. The universe rewards those who are willing to take action and move towards their goals. As you take inspired action, pay attention to the signs and synchronicities that appear along the way. These are messages from the universe, guiding you and supporting you on your journey. Trust your intuition to interpret these signs and make decisions that align with your highest good. Taking inspired action is not about forcing or striving. It's about flowing with the current of life, trusting your inner wisdom, and taking steps that feel aligned with your purpose. When you're in alignment with your intentions, the universe conspires to support you, and you'll find that opportunities and resources magically appear to help you achieve your goals. As you journey towards abundance, it's important to know the power of surrender. This doesn't mean giving up on your dreams, but rather releasing the need to control every detail of how they manifest. It's about trusting the universe to deliver your desires in the perfect way and at the perfect time. When you're attached to specific outcomes, you create resistance and block the flow of abundance. It's like trying to force a river to flow in a certain direction. It creates tension and struggle. But when you surrender and let go, you allow the universe to work its magic. You open yourself up to receiving your desires in ways you may not have even imagined. Trust that the universe has your back. It knows what you truly need and desire, even better than you do. Have faith that everything is unfolding perfectly, even if it doesn't look that way in the moment. Focus on the journey, on the joy of creating, and on the growth you experience along the way. The destination will take care of itself. Manifesting abundance is a journey, not a race. It takes time, effort, and unwavering belief in your own power. There may be moments of doubt, setbacks, or challenges along the way. But don't give up. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Cultivate patience and persistence. Keep your focus on your intentions. Continue to take inspired action and trust the process. Celebrate every victory, no matter how small, and learn from any setbacks. Even the most successful people have faced challenges and obstacles on their path to success. Don't let impatience or frustration derail your progress. Stay committed to your practice, even when it feels challenging. The universe rewards those who persevere. Keep your eyes on the prize and know that with every step you take, you're moving closer to the abundant life you deserve. As you move forward on this path of abundance, it's vital to pause and acknowledge your wins. Each step forward, each goal achieved, each moment of joy is a testament to your power and your progress. Celebrate these milestones, big and small. Let them fuel your motivation and inspire you to reach even greater heights. But abundance isn't meant to be hoarded, it's meant to be shared. As you attract more prosperity into your life, look for ways to spread that abundance to others. Whether it's through acts of kindness, charitable giving, or simply sharing your time and talents, find ways to make a positive impact on the world around you. The universe operates on a principle of flow. When you give freely, you create space for even more abundance to enter your life. Your generosity not only benefits others, it also enriches your own experience and deepens your connection to the universal flow of prosperity. So, as you achieve your goals and manifest your dreams, pay it forward. Inspire others with your story, share your knowledge and wisdom, and help create a ripple effect of abundance that touches countless lives. By lifting others up, you elevate yourself and contribute to a world where everyone can thrive. Today, we've explored the profound power you hold within to shape your reality and attract abundance into your life. We've journeyed through the depths of your subconscious mind, learned to shift limiting beliefs, set clear intentions, and cultivate gratitude. We've discovered the importance of inspired action, detachment from outcomes, and unwavering patience and persistence. Now, it's your turn to step into the driver's seat of your own life. Take these principles, apply them with dedication, and watch as your world transforms. You are the creator of your reality. You have the power to manifest your dreams and live a life of true prosperity and joy. If this video has resonated with you, please show your support by liking and subscribing. Let's continue this journey together, inspiring and empowering each other to create a world of limitless abundance.